Hey all, this is Kristie. It's been a while since I've been on here live, but I just wanted to go over how to pack your store before the next holiday season. And the reason you want to do that is because you want your rankings and all of that already to be in place before the next buyer frenzy, right? And it's late July. It's going to be August, September, October, November, December. So we're only like 1 month out before the biggest buying season of the year. So you want to pack your store with items, be it t-shirts, print on demand, anything, shoes, coffee mugs, I mean, you just name it, pillowcases, pillows. You can do all of that with print on demand. Also, Printful now has a new feature where you can do print on demand flip-flops, print on demand jewelry. You know, I've been waiting for that for a long time. So I did a doggy bracelet the other day and put it on my store. And you just think about, there's so many things. Now, you may be wondering, that's great, but what is the niche? What is the hottest selling niche, and how do I sell it? Well, the first thing I'm going to tell you is my secret is to the best sales on my store are from doggy stuff. People who love their dogs, like people who love their poodles, their puggles, their English bulldogs, that kind of thing. And so what I did is I went to an artist because I was spending so much time messaging artists inside of Etsy, you know, buying the PNGs so I could upload it to Printful. And so many of them now say, no, you can't use these on print on demand. No, you can't use these. And if you do want to use these on print on demand, you have to buy a license, $50, $75. I'm like, what the heck? You know, I'll go broke. So I went to an artist and I hired him, and he started with 30 of the most popular dog breeds in the United States. And he made the cutest images. And then he went a little cray-cray because he said, I asked him, I said, well, can you put like sunglasses on them and things like that? And he said, well, sure. So by the time he got through, he had male and female of 30 of the most popular dog breeds in the United States. And he put sunglasses on them. On the boy dogs, he put red bow ties. On the girls, he put pink bows and polka dot bandanas. Totally cute, totally cute. And so what I've been doing is I've been taking them and I've been putting them on print on demand items on my shop. Okay, so the nice thing is, and there'll be a link below this, so click below if you want to see those images, because it's like a one-time fee and you can use those images wherever, whenever, no license fee. You know, I had them made, I've already paid for them once, so none of us ever have to pay for them again. And you can put little hats on them, and you can put, you know, a dog bone. It is so cute, so cute. So be sure you are loading up your Etsy shop with all kinds of goodies for the fourth quarter that will be coming soon. Okay, so if you have any questions, put them below this video. Be happy to answer them for you. Again, my hottest selling shirt is in the dog niche. So you want to be doing things that are related to what people buy. So many people, including myself, I've done this before. I'm like, well, I love this. You know, I love this pearl bracelet, so I'm going to do pearl bracelets. And then, you know, I'm the only one that likes that pearl bracelet with the, you know, red tie on it, whatever. So what you want to do, the secret is there's two. You want to find out what's already selling and make something similar. And secondly, you want to put your items in front of people who are passionate about that thing. Now, I'm sure you know, and you may have a dog. I'm sure you know a lot of people with dogs. I mean, billion-dollar industry, billions are spent in the dog industry. People buy for their, they buy the most expensive dog food. When we had an English bulldog who passed away, I would spend my last dime going to get him the blue dog food he needed to keep him from breaking out. And it was worth every dime. And people will buy what they want, not necessarily what they need. So you may say, okay, with the free shipping and Etsy now, I won't make any profit. Yes, you can. Just just include the shipping. For Printful, it's around $3 to send a t-shirt. So what I did is I went in and I raised all my prices $3. So you want to make between $5 and $10 at profit every item. More is great. 20 is great. You just have to test the market and see what people are willing to buy. But if you do really unique designs, you can build a brand inside of Etsy and people will buy one or more. I've had people buy 2 t-shirts at a time in the dog niche. Okay. So again, you don't have to worry about where do I find these. And you also may be thinking, well, if I buy these images, everybody else is using them. No, they're not. And if they are, they're going to do different things because you can go into PicMonkey, you can upload the image, and then you can add unique text to it. Before you open that gate, ask yourself, am I feeling lucky today? You're going to see inside there on the sales page of the images, it'll take you at the bottom of the page to this other offer where I put together 85 really funny things about dog owners and what they say. And see, a lot of people buy a coffee mug just because of what's on the text on it, not necessarily even a picture. So to have 85 really funny things plus the dog images equals thousands of variations of that. And you could do, a hat for the girl dog. You can do a dog bone for the boy dog. You can put a bicycle in there. There's all kinds of, it's unlimited. So you would never run out, and there's not too much competition if you niche down. You don't want to just put dog. You want to put like Puggle or Yorkie Poo or Yorkie or whatever the breed is with your keyword research. Look and see what is selling, who is selling it, and with what keywords are selling it, and model after that. That is how I saw my first sales come in. Okay, so number 1, you need a hot, passionate niche. That's dog lovers. Number 2, you need some images that are royalty-free, license-free. You don't have to pay for. You don't have to worry about how many. Some of them have a small business license where they say up to 50 uses, up to 100 uses. Really? Who's got time for that, right? Who's got time to make sure that you don't make over 100 sales? You want to make over 100 sales. And you don't want to come back and have to buy a license for $50, $75 and up. Some of them are requiring that you buy a license per every time you use it in every image you use. And I'm like, I ain't got time for that. I ain't got time for that. I ain't got money for that. I am not doing that. I'm not doing that. It's not worth my time. It's not worth yours either. So that's why I went in, hired an artist to do it one time, one flat fee. You don't have to give me credit on your website or on your image. You don't have to link back to me. They're free to use after you buy them. You are free to use them wherever you want. You can use them on Amazon. You can use them on eBay. You can use them to make images to upload to your own shop, wherever it is. It doesn't matter where it is, because I want you to be free to use these all over the internet. And again, if somebody uses the exact same one, who cares, right? Who cares? Make yours unique. If you do care, make it unique. Put a new phrase on it. Put a hat on it. Put a hat on it. You should have put a hat on it. Or you could just, like I said, if you take one dog image and add a tree, like a palm tree, like they're at the beach, my beach bud. One that's really selling really well right now, I've seen on Etsy, are Big Brother, Big Sister. And they have a picture of like the French Bulldog, my big sister, meaning the baby's big sister, because you and I both know, and I've done it before, people treat their dogs like babies. And so they get dogs first usually, and then they have the baby. And so it's my big sister, my big brother, whatever. So you could do 1,000 variations. You could do my uncle, whatever. We're all crazy about pets and dogs and cats and whatever you've got. And so use that passionate niche, serve them by giving them really cute doggy t-shirts, pillowcases, pillows, flip-flops, all of this in Printful. Jewelry. They now have the little gold bar and silver bar bracelets. They have necklaces. It's like, what? Where have y'all been? They have beach towels. Let's see what else they have. They have accessories. They have aprons. They have posters. You could do printables. You could do stickers. Now you can make your own stickers. They're not stickers like planner stickers, but if you know how to do that, you can use these for that too. But this is like a sticker like you would put on your laptop, or, you know, or your purse, or your whatever. You know, they're vinyl stickers about this big. So the opportunities are endless, and nobody's doing it. A lot of times people say everybody's doing it, so nobody will do it except for 1 or 2 people. Okay, so don't worry about the competition. Just do it. Just do it. Don't overthink it. Just use them and do it. Okay, I hope you're having a great day. Don't overthink it. Just do it. This is Kristie. I will talk to you soon. Thanks for stopping by. Please give me a like. If you're watching this on Facebook, please give me a like. If you're watching on YouTube, please give me a like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And say hello. I see somebody's joined us. Would you like to say hello? Looks like somebody's been popping in and out, which is great. And I'm just glad to see you here. Okay. All right. So that's all for this one. It's almost been 10 minutes. And I'm out. Talk to you soon. Bye now.